You can now get the most reliable HVAC repair and maintenance solutions for homes in North Little Rock. If you want to keep your HVAC system running smoothly, Seton Heat and Air is the solution for you. Seton Heat and Air offers affordable HVAC services to homes and businesses in North Little Rock and the surrounding area. The licensed HVAC technicians are trained and certified to repair and service nearly any make or model of heating and cooling equipment on the market. Their services are designed to prevent costly and time-consuming repairs and make the HVAC system work more efficiently. The company can also provide professional HVAC installation services. The experienced HVAC installers are trained to follow all proper installation protocols to ensure a successfully completed project. Go to SetonHeatandAir.com for more info.